It's likely your fleet is the biggest expense in your business. With little visibility, costs can escalate quickly, with earning ability and customer service suffering. Introducing MoreFleet, the newest and simplest way to track and manage your fleet. MoreFleet provide the most advanced and vital fleet management tools to ensure you maximize your fleet's potential and stay way ahead of competitors. All companies with vehicles know how important a fleet system is, but you may be put off by long contracts and minimum terms. With MoreFleet, there are no contracts, just a rolling monthly service with the best price from day one. You could even have your entire fleet up and tracking by this time tomorrow. MoreFleet, brought to you by Trackershop.